This video is sponsored by Sephora. Today's video is going to be all about La Mer skincare. I'm going to show you my skincare routine featuring La Mer products from start to finish. We'll talk a little bit about the brand's history. I'll share with you the new mini-size products, which you have to see, and I'll also tell you the 4 products that I cannot be without. We'll talk skin benefits, full-size bottle versus the mini-size bottles, and we'll have a quick story time. So there is a lot to cover in this video, so I will leave a timestamp here on the screen, and I will also leave it in the description box. So if you want to hear about all things La Mer skincare, make sure you keep watching. Tiff Benson here. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday, or any day that you're watching this. On the day that I'm actually filming it, it's Sunday. I really wanted to put forth a self-care Sunday video for this channel because sometimes we are so busy being busy that we forget to take care of ourselves inside and out. I'm all about self-pampering, self-love, self-care, living a more beautiful, confident, well-lived life. I love all things skincare, beauty, and fragrance. And for me, on Self-Care Sundays, it's just another opportunity for me to take a day, breathe, refresh, give myself a little bit of extra attention that I don't necessarily give myself during the week. And also, just a friendly reminder, we don't have to wait all the way till Sunday to give ourselves a little bit of pampering and TLC. So leave a comment right now and let me know, how do you take care of yourself? What do you do to pamper yourself and give yourself a little bit of self-care? I'm so curious. And I'll also be reading through the comments to get a little self-care inspo for yours truly. So the real tea is I am totally in my element right now when it comes to skincare. I love taking care of my skin. So let's jump into all things La Mer. So if you've never heard of La Mer is a luxury skincare line which is carried at Sephora. Quick fun fact, La Mer actually means the sea in French. La Mer is known for their beautiful packaging, decadent presentation, high price tags, and their proprietary special ingredient, the miracle broth. Just grabbing my handy dandy laptop right here to visit Sephora.com and figure out exactly what's in the miracle broth. It all started when Dr. Max Huber, unable to find relief from burns suffered in a lab accident, looked to the sea for healing. 12 years and 6,000 experiments later, the iconic Crème de la Mer was born. So it looks like what's inside of the miracle broth is giant sea kelp. It's the heart of the miracle broth. Something that's also very interesting and I like is that each time the miracle broth is created, it is infused with drops of the batch that came before it, creating a timeless link to the original. I think that's quite beautiful. So let me show you the new mini-size La Mer products that I have here. I have 8 that I can show you. We have the La Mer cleansing foam. We have the original moisturizer, the Crème de la Mer. Love this product. We have the La Mer renewing oil. We have the La Mer the treatment lotion. La Mer the concentrate. We have the La Mer cooling gel cream. We have the La Mer moisturizing soft cream. And last but not least, we have the La Mer lifting and firming mask. So the 4 products that I personally cannot live without are the concentrate, the cleansing foam, the treatment lotion, and the moisturizing cream, the original Crème de la Mer. If you follow me on Instagram, I recently just put up a poll featuring the other La Mer products. So if you'd like to see a review here on this channel of these La Mer products, please go take the poll and follow your girl on the gram. Let's talk full product sizes versus the minis. Going back online to Sephora.com to check the actual prices. Okay, so for 1 ounce of this precious miracle cream cost $180. Yes, I spent $180 of my own money on this product. This one, which is half the size, costs $90. So it's literally half the cost, half the size. So if you're looking to upgrade your skincare, or you want to try one of the most coveted luxury skincare lines in the world at half the price, now is a good time to do it, because again, Sephora just introduced these mini products. I love how small they are. I think that it's the perfect size for travel. And also, not for nothing, holidays are coming around. La Mer makes a beautiful gift for the holidays. If someone were to give me La Mer as a gift, I'd be like, wow, you really love me, because I'm so lovable. So this is my little travel bag. I want to show you how much room I have left inside after putting the luxury minis inside. Taking this with me, love. Absolutely taking the concentrate with me. Cleanser, it's going with me. Should I bring a mask? I should bring a mask because I probably will be jet lagged. Moisturizer, taking it with me. So look how much more, I mean, seriously, I have so much room inside to add makeup, brushes, whatever else it is that I need to bring with me. So again, really great for travel, and I will be taking them with me to Sephora. If you don't know about Sephora, I will leave a link in the description too if you don't know anything about it, but shout out to Sephora. We are gonna have an amazing time this weekend in LA at Sephora. And thank God my travel tote is packed. So let's demo these products so that you can actually see them in action. First product that we have here is the La Mer Cleansing Foam. On Sephora.com it says what it is a gentle cleansing foam with white pearl powders and sea algae fibers to purify, calm, and remineralize the most delicate skin. So whenever I'm about to start my skincare routine, I always make sure that I clean my hands before I touch my face. A lot of times you don't realize how much germs and bacteria your hands actually carry, so always make sure that your hands are clean before you touch your face. Normally I would be washing my face at the sink, but now I'm just going to use my water bottle, which actually has purified water in here to wet my skin. Also too, whenever I decide to use a cleanser like this, I like to make sure that all the makeup is off my skin first. That way this sort of cleanser will get off any other makeup residue that's left on my face. I find that this cleanser is really gentle. It doesn't over cleanse my skin, and I love that it is phthalate free, sulfate free, and paraben free. So up next is a product that I've really been getting into. It is the La Mer Treatment Lotion. What it is, according to Sephora.com, is a silky, watery lotion that thoroughly hydrates and preps the skin for further treatment, optimizing every following step in your regimen. I look at this not only as like a toner, but an enhancer of everything else that will come after you put this product on. Again, this is another product that's sulfate, paraben, and phthalate free. And as you can see, just by putting it on my face, pressing it into my face, I'm starting to get a natural glow, and I love that. This product also features the Miracle Broth, so just by using it, I can tell that my skin looks more radiant, it looks smoother, and it also has boosted levels of hydration. Here we have La Mer, the concentrate. So this is a product that I've been using probably for 6 months now, and I was kind of on the fence about it because I am a minimalist as it relates to everything in my life, even with my skincare. So I was like, do I actually need an extra product? I'm so happy I have this in my skincare collection. This product is a concentrated multi-use treatment to strengthen, visibly soothe, and protect fragile skin. I recently burned the back of my hand, and you can't see anything now because I used this product on top of it, and I wish I had taken a picture of it because I was like, I burned the back of my hand, I have to shoot this video, it is going to be a disaster. What am I gonna do? I kid you not, I put it on the back of my hand. It was tender and everything. It was just not good. And literally by the next day, it was healed. Granted, it was like a superficial burn. I wonder if you can see the difference between my hands. Like if you see there's like a little bit of like redness here versus like this side. Again, I used this product and it really did help to heal my fragile skin. This is not a product that I reach to and go for every day. It just isn't. But sometimes I've noticed that my skin, when it needs a little bit of extra TLC, especially like around my mouth area, I get very sensitive and dry. Something like this helps me out a lot. And last but certainly not least is my favorite product from La Mer. Holy grail to me, cannot be without it, will always be in my collection no matter what, no matter how much it costs. I love it. It is the La Mer Creme de la Mer moisturizing cream. This actually has a special way in which you apply it. You take the little hygienic spatula, which I love, get your product, put it on your hand, warm it up between your hands, and then press it into the skin. It's described as an ultra-rich moisturizing cream that creates an instant dewy finish. I promise you, when people ask me, how do you have like that dewy glow? Like, what is it that you're using? Honey, it's this. So after you warm it up between your hands, you just want to gently pat it into your skin. Please don't forget the neck. You always want to bring your skincare down your neck, even onto your décolleté. And for me, what I also like to do is I like to put the product on my hands and around my cuticles because I'm extra. Skincare should really be about giving you results, but also changing the way you feel and elevating your lifestyle. That's just my belief. And I feel like La Mer does it for me. So if you find that the glow is not enough for you, which I don't even know how that could be possible, you can boost the dewy effect by using the La Mer Renewal Oil. Just use it at the high points of your cheek. Press it in, kind of dab it in, you know, let that sink in. And this is typically normally what I look like on the day-to-day when I'm not here filming YouTube. Natural skin, no makeup, feeling very comfortable in my skin because I've worked on it. And to be honest, beautiful skincare is just another extension of who I am. So quick story, I've been using La Mer for probably, I want to say about a year now. I fell in love with La Mer because I saw it all over Instagram. I was influenced by certain influencers out there. And I said to myself, you know what? I really want to try this product. I went online, I did the research. I went to Sephora.com because again, I love Sephora. They have a great return policy because if I don't like it, I will return it. I saw how much money it was and I was like, don't fall in love. Don't fall in love with this product. Don't fall in love with Creme de la Mer. I don't care how beautiful it is. I don't care what the bloggers say. We're just gonna try it. I went in store. I held that product in my hand and I said to myself, I'm gonna have to buy this product. Like, this product is coming home with me. Something that I haven't touched on or mentioned yet is that it comes in like this glass, or I guess it's like maybe glass or ceramic bottle packaging. It's so decadent. I love that. Oh my God. And the smell is divine. You know, I'm all about a smell. Not only is the packaging beautiful, obviously, and yes, I did fall in love with the look and aesthetic of the brand. But when I tell you, a week after using this product on my skin, I saw first of all, I saw noticeable results instantly. It is just a phenomenal product. I can't say enough about it, and I love it. I actually love it so much that I purchased the foundation, which if you can see, I'm running out. And I also purchased their translucent setting powder and this decadent brush situation we have over here. I just washed it. It's super clean. These products here alone, I purchased with my own money, which that should let you know right there that I genuinely love La Mer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you enjoyed it, if you found something helpful here, if you just liked hanging out with your girl, hit that like button and make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if it's your first time here, and I will link in the description as well my beauty channel where we talk all things beauty, skincare. It's my More Tiff Benson channel, so you get more of me. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you can be notified every time that I post a video here on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram at Tiff Benson. That's where I am when I'm not here on YouTube. Thank you so much, Sephora and La Mer, for sponsoring this video. And thank you for watching. Love you forever. Watch what's up next, and I'll catch you in the next one.